Everything's more expensive right now. Rent's higher, groceries cost more, even coffee's gone up. But here's the crazy part. While most people are struggling just to keep up, some folks are quietly building wealth. I kept asking myself, what are they doing differently? A couple years ago, I was stuck living paycheck to paycheck here in the States. Saving anything felt impossible until I learned 3 money lessons that completely turned things around for me. Lesson 1. Make money work for you. Don't just let your cash sit in the bank while inflation chews it up. In 2026, put your money into things that make you money. Index funds, dividend-paying stocks, maybe even a small rental. One of my buddies started with just $100 and now has passive income hitting his account every month. Lesson 2. Understand the game. School teaches a lot, but financial education teaches freedom. In America, if you know how taxes and investments work, you can actually use the system to your advantage, and you don't need to spend big. The IRS has free workshops. There are tons of solid money podcasts, and books like The Millionaire Next Door are game changers. Lesson 3. Assets versus liabilities. That brand new car on a loan looks cool, but it's a liability. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take it out. Before you drop big money on something this year, ask yourself, is this going to grow my money or just empty my bank account? Bottom line, it's never just about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow. So, in 2026, don't just work harder. Work smarter. Build systems, invest wisely, and let your money do the heavy lifting for you. Which of these lessons are you already using? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one.